Space is large, mysterious, and packed with secrets and techniques which have at a loss for words humankind for centuries. Among those cosmic wonders, none are extra awe-inspiring and terrifying than black holes, big, unseen giants that warp the very cloth of area and time. These significant entities captivate scientists and area lovers alike, as they maintain the electricity to reshape our know-how of the universe. But what secrets and techniques do those cosmic behemoths hide? What occurs while a celebrity collapses? And the way do those darkish voids have interaction with the universe round them? As we delve into the sector of black holes, put together for an adventure into the unknown, an adventure in which the regulations of physics smash down and the unattainable will become truth. Black holes are shaped from the remnants of big stars which have exhausted their nuclear gasoline. When those stars attain the give-up in their existence cycle, they go through a supernova explosion, ejecting their outer layers into area at the same time as their middle collapses below its personal gravity. If the middle's mass is sufficient, this crumble maintains till it paperwork a singularity, a factor of countless density in which the legal guidelines of physics as we understand them to apply. Surrounding the singularity is the occasion horizon, the boundary past which nothing, now no longer even mild, can escape. The length of a black hollow is decided via way of means of its mass, and at the same time as stellar black holes shaped from person stars may be numerous instances the mass of our sun. Supermassive black holes on the facilities of galaxies will have loads equal to hundreds of thousands or maybe billions of suns. At the middle of each black hollow lies the singularity, a vicinity in which area and time come to be infinitely twisted via way of means of the acute gravitational pull. According to Einstein's principle of fashionable relativity, that is the factor in which our know-how of the universe breaks down. To absolutely realize what happens at a singularity, we might want a principle that unifies fashionable relativity with quantum mechanics, a goal that has eluded physicists for decades. One technique to fixing this thriller is loop quantum gravity, which shows that spacetime itself is quantized, composed of discrete gadgets at unimaginably small scales. This principle proposes that in place of collapsing right into a factor of countless density, enter a black hollow would possibly go through a quantum bounce, main to the introduction of a brand new vicinity of spacetime within the black hollow. Black holes are available in diverse paperwork, along with stellar, intermediate, and supermassive black holes. Stellar black holes, as formerly mentioned, are shaped from the crumble of big stars. Intermediate black holes, with loads starting from masses to lots of suns, are notioned to shape via the merging of smaller black holes or the accretion of count. Supermassive black holes, on the alternative hand, are believed to develop via a technique known as accretion, in which they pull in fueline, dust, or even stars from their environment, forming an accretion disk that spirals into the black hollow. Charged black holes, including Reissner-Nordstrom black holes and Kerr-Newman black holes, own particular residences because of their electric-powered charge. Reissner-Nordstrom black holes are non-rotating and charged, at the same time as Kerr-Newman black holes are each charged and rotating. These versions introduce extra complexities of their gravitational fields and occasion horizons. Despite their fearsome reputation, black holes do now no longer actively suck and count like a vacuum cleaner. Their gravitational have an effect on is vast, simplest inside a short distance, called the Schwarzschild radius or occasion horizon. Objects that undertaking too near are necessarily drawn in. However, the ones at a secure distance stay unaffected, persevering with their adventure via area. To have a look at of black holes has profound implications for our know-how of the universe. Their mammoth gravitational fields can distort spacetime, main to phenomena including time dilation and gravitational lensing. Time dilation, for instance, happens due to the fact gravity impacts the go with the drift of time close to a black hollow, inflicting time to gradual down substantially as compared to areas farther away. Gravitational lensing, on the alternative hand, occurs while the acute gravitational subject of a black hollow bends the direction of mild from remote stars, growing distorted or magnified images. Recent improvements in observational cosmology have furnished direct proof of black holes. The Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, done a groundbreaking milestone via way of means of taking pictures the first actual photo of a black hollow shadow within the galaxy M87. This photo presented visible affirmation of theoretical predictions and opened new avenues for reading the conduct of black holes. Supermassive black holes play an essential position in galaxy formation and evolution. The severe radiation from their accretion disks can warmth and ionize surrounding fueline, affecting famous person formation and shaping the cosmic surroundings. Understanding the formation and increase of supermassive black holes is a burgeoning vicinity of research, with theories suggesting they develop from smaller black holes via accretion and mergers. And the enigma of what occurs in a black hollow maintains to fascinate scientists and the general public alike. While black holes gift demanding situations to our contemporary day know-how of physics, in addition they provide interesting possibilities for discovery. By reading those mysterious items, we will advantage deeper insights into the character of space-time and the universe itself. Black holes aren't actually remote phenomena. They have interaction with their environment in diverse, exciting ways. One such interplay is the formation of X-ray binaries, structures along with an ordinary famous person and a stellar mass black hollow in near orbit round every different. As the black hollow's gravity pulls fabric from the associate famous person, an accretion disk paperwork across the black hollow, heating as much as hundreds of thousands of stages and emitting severe X-rays. Observing those X-ray binaries affords precious insights into the residences and conduct of black holes. And moreover, black holes can have an effect on their surroundings via effective jets of high-strength particles. These jets, which could amplify lots of mild years into area, are shaped while fabric from the accretion disk is channeled alongside the black hollow's magnetic subject strains and ejected at almost the velocity of mild. These jets can affect famous person formation and the distribution of fueline of their host galaxies, gambling a vast position in galaxy evolution. The have a look at of black holes additionally intersects with different regions of astronomy, including the look for gravitational waves. These ripples in space-time, anticipated via way of means of Einstein's fashionable relativity, are produced via way of means of cataclysmic activities, just like the merger of black holes. The detection of gravitational waves via way of means of observatories like LIGO and Virgo has opened a brand new window into the universe, permitting scientists to look at and have a look at astronomical activities that had been formerly invisible. Space is large and packed with mysteries, and black holes stay the various maximum entrancing and unnerving phenomena. From their formation via the crumble of big stars to their capability to create new areas of space-time, black holes task our know-how of the universe and push the limits of current physics. They aren't simply cosmic monsters, however, additionally gateways to deeper understanding approximately the cloth of truth itself. As we hold to have a look at those enigmatic items, we can also additionally at some point release the secrets and techniques they maintain and advantage a clearer image of the proper nature of the cosmos. One of the maximum charming elements of black holes is the theoretical prediction of Hawking radiation, named after physicist Stephen Hawking, who proposed that black holes aren't completely black however emit radiation because of quantum outcomes close to the occasion horizon. This radiation arises from the introduction of particle-antiparticle pairs at the brink of the black hollow. Normally, those pairs might annihilate every different. However, if one particle falls into the black hollow at the same time as the alternative escapes, the black hollow loses a tiny quantity of mass. Over an incomprehensibly lengthy time, this technique ought to cause the black hollow evaporating completely, idea that introduces a paradox in our know-how of records maintenance inside the universe. If black holes can evaporate, what occurs to the records approximately the problem they consumed? This question, called the records paradox, maintains to task physicists and has brought about new theories that try and reconcile quantum mechanics with fashionable relativity. Beyond the medical realities of black holes lies the world of theoretical possibilities. One such opportunity is the lifestyles of wormholes, hypothetical tunnels in space-time that would join remote areas of the universe. If black holes are linked to wormholes, they may provide a method of interstellar travel, making an allowance for instant trips throughout large cosmic distances. While this idea has captured the creativeness of technological know-how fiction writers and physicists alike, the realistic lifestyles of wormholes stays speculative. The intense situations required to stabilize a wormhole, along with the want for individual count with bad strength density, pose vast, demanding situations. However, the have a look at of black holes maintains to gasoline those speculative ideas, pushing the limits of what is probably viable within the remote future. And black holes aren't simply adverse forces. They're additionally creators, gambling a critical position in shaping the shape of the universe. The mammoth gravitational have an effect on of supermassive black holes on the facilities of galaxies impacts, the movement of stars, and the distribution of count. These black holes adjust the increase of galaxies via Commons mechanisms. After they accrete big quantities of count, they could emit effective radiation and jets that blow away fueline and suppress famous person formation. This stability among black hollow increase in galaxy evolution is essential in figuring out the dimensions and form of galaxies. As we hold to look at the universe with superior telescopes and stumble on gravitational waves from black hollow mergers, we're uncovering new insights into how those enigmatic items have an effect on the cosmic panorama on a grand scale.